This is a video example of my aluminum air battery. This is my aluminum piece and is my anode where electrons are lost, and you can see it's hooked up to this red alligator clip right here. My cathode is actually the oxygen that is inside of the air, but I have a lot of activated charcoal and a wire buried inside the activated charcoal to give it a lot of surface area where the oxygen can react, and that's where electrons are gained. The electrons flow from the anode through the wire to my load, which is my bulb right here, and lights that. The electrons continue on to the cathode, and they end up here and go through what's called my salt bridge. The salt bridge is actually this piece of paper right here that has a lot of salt water embedded in it. And if I take the anode and cathode and push them together, I'm just going to turn the lamp off here a second. Hopefully I can get my light bulb to show that I've got some voltage drop across it, and you can see it lights on fire. Now, I'm also going to show you the voltage drop across here by using a multimeter. And the multimeter first needs to be set to volts, DC volts. And then I'll take my probes and I'll put one onto the anode and one onto the cathode. And then I'll take my reading as I touch them across. And I can see that right now, since I'm not pushing on the battery, I don't have, and maybe have not very much voltage drop. I'll see if I can push down on the battery at the same time. And now you can see I'm creating about a ½ volt. And if you have really good eyes, you might be able to see that I've got the light bulb lit just a little bit. Those are your requirements for making your video showing the anode, the cathode piece, the salt bridge, the load, and then showing that you can check the voltage drop across the load of your aluminum